Imagine lying in bed at night, legs twitching, feet burning like they're sitting in a campfire, and no matter how you position your body, the pain just won't stop. You've tried massaging your toes, elevating your feet, even those pricey compression socks, but the stabbing, tingling, numbing pain returns like clockwork. This isn't just discomfort, it's nerve pain. And for millions of seniors, it's the slow thief of independence, turning something as simple as walking across the room into a dreaded event. Right. But what if there was one simple leaf? Yes, a natural, anti-inflammatory leaf that could help reverse these symptoms? One that's been used for centuries and is now finally getting real clinical attention for what it does to your nerves. Neuropathy is one of the most underdiagnosed yet life-altering conditions among seniors. After age 60, your nerve fibers begin to degenerate more rapidly, especially if blood sugar, circulation, or inflammation are out of balance. Over time, this creates the burning, tingling, and even stabbing sensations that start in your feet and can rise into your calves, thighs, even your hands. According to a 2021 report in the Journal of Neurology, over 26% of adults over 65 show measurable signs of peripheral nerve damage even when they don't yet feel the pain. The scary part? Most doctors only treat the symptoms. Few ever address the root cause: inflammation inside the nerve sheath itself. Now here's what they're not telling you. Chronic inflammation builds silently. It tightens blood vessels, starves your nerves of oxygen, and eventually those nerves begin to misfire or go numb. You get a cocktail of pain signals your brain can't decipher. Sharp, one moment, dull, the next, then burning like acid under your skin. That's the daily agony many seniors face, but it doesn't have to be that way. We're about to count down the most powerful natural solutions that help reverse these symptoms. And yes, number A is a single leaf, backed by a surprising 2023 clinical study that not only reduces inflammation, but actually helps regrow damaged nerve fibers. And it's probably in your local grocery store right now. Let's start with number 4. Turmeric and black pepper. You've heard of it, but here's why it matters. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. But alone, it's not easily absorbed by your body. Combine it with black pepper, specifically piperine, your absorption goes up by over 2,000%, according to a Harvard Health report. A 2020 study from the Journal of Neuroinflammation found that seniors who took daily turmeric with black pepper saw significant reductions in burning foot pain and improved. Add it to scrambled eggs, stir it into warm almond milk with a dash of honey, or mix it into a curry-style lentil soup. It's a cozy, comforting way to soothe your nerve endings with every bite. Number 3, omega-3. Rich seeds, especially flax seeds and chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 that helps rebuild the myelin sheath around your nerves. Think of myelin like the insulation around electrical wiring. When it's damaged, your nerves misfire. But when you nourish it, signals stabilize and pain eases. In a 2022 clinical trial in older adults with type 2 diabetes and neuropathy, daily consumption of just 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed reduced nerve pain scores by 31% in under 30 days. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or stir into yogurt. One senior in the study said, "I hadn't walked to my garden in 6 months. Now I'm out there every morning." Number 2, vitamin B12 from real food sources. Your deficiency in B12 is one of the most common and overlooked causes of nerve pain in seniors. After 60, your stomach produces less intrinsic factor, a protein needed to absorb B12. Without enough B12, your nerves fray and spark, causing numbness, tingling, and even memory loss. Animal foods like wild-caught salmon, sardines, and pasture-raised eggs are rich in bioavailable B12. But for vegetarians, look to fortified nutritional yeast, cheesy, savory flake you can sprinkle on popcorn or pasta. A 2019 review in Current Aging Science found that seniors with even mild B12 deficiency were 4 times more likely to experience nerve degeneration. One man said after 3 weeks of adding B12-rich salmon twice a week, The pins and needles stopped waking me up at night. And finally, the most surprising and powerful, love them all. Number 1, mulberry leaf. Yes, mulberry. You've probably seen it mentioned in passing or growing quietly in a backyard, but new science is putting it on the map.
Ow.
This humble leaf contains a compound called DNJ1-deoxynigeramation, which has been shown to regulate blood sugar, reduce nerve inflammation, and support microvascular repair. That's the tiny blood flow around your nerves. In a breakthrough 2023 study from the International Journal of Phytomedicine, seniors who drank mulberry leaf tea twice daily reported a 42% drop in neuropathic symptoms in just 3 weeks, reduced foot tingling, less burning, and significantly better sleep. Even better, it's caffeine-free and has a smooth, earthy flavor you can sip before bed. To prepare it, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried mulberry leaf in hot water for 10 minutes. Add a touch of lemon or cinnamon for extra nerve-calming support. In the morning and once before bed, one woman in the study shared, for the first time in 8 years, I fell asleep without my feet waking me up. I cried. Mulberry isn't just a folk remedy anymore. It's science-backed, senior-safe, and a gentle but powerful way to reverse inflammation from the inside out. So imagine this. Start your morning with a warm turmeric ginger smoothie. Sprinkle flaxseed on your oatmeal. Enjoy a piece of grilled salmon or a scoop of nutritional yeast at lunch, and sip mulberry leaf tea before bed.
Oh.
These aren't dramatic life overhauls. These are small, calming rituals that give your nerves what they need to rebuild, repair, relax. Your body is always trying to heal itself, but after 60, it needs the right tools. Chronic nerve pain doesn't have to be your new normal. With the right support, your nerve fibers can regenerate. Blood flow can return to your toes, and that burning, stabbing pain can fade into the background where it belongs. So which one will you try first? Have you ever heard of mulberry leaf tea before? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want more natural, science-backed ways to fight inflammation and feel younger from the inside out, like this video, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to tap the bell, because the next decade of your life can feel lighter, steadier, and freer starting today. Your feet deserve peace. Your nights deserve rest. And your nerves, they deserve healing. Let's make that happen one simple leaf at a time.